Good morning at the gym. Just taken some pre-workout. Powerful workout. 200 milligrams of caffeine. I don't know how many cups of tea that is. It sounds like a lot. So I've just taken half. Fish bag. Where's the plank minute? The longest minute in the world. Time to go home. I always look super unhappy when I finish a workout. Just then, oh my god, something's pumping. Something's pumping. I'm doing very well. I'm knackered, up late today. I'm rather happy. Whew. Right, we can't go in there now. Bye. Living at home has proven to be good for the soul. I'd stopped going out at the weekend and was focusing on my physical fitness, my workload, and I had even started writing again. Plans for the canal boat were coming along, but it was evident more money was needed for a job we didn't expect before anything else could be done. I had to save thousands, but I was happy and excited for the future. It's a Leatherman shopper. It's a Leatherman bronze. I'm having a very nice evening. So yeah, things are going pretty nice at the moment. Parents are off out to go see the rugby Leicester Tigers, and it's been really cool. I've got a project plan ready. Sat with my dad for like 3 hours going over it, and yeah, I think we're gonna need $3 more grand to finish the project, and I will break down prices for you right now. Despite my busy schedule of work, getting fit, boat planning and more work, I was still optimistic. I was determined for the boat to be finished in the spring. Visualising that made me happy, and I think you should find happiness wherever possible, even if it means dancing in your kitchen. Good morning. It is Sunday, the 16th of February. Hope you all had lovely Valentines. I had the best Valentines. I spent it with someone who I really respect. I spent some really quality time with them, and they're a hottie as well. Me! It was lovely. It was the best day I've ever had. And off to the gym, obviously. I'm just trying my best to like focus on getting healthy, physically, mentally healthy. So the boat, it needs, like I mentioned, needs another $3 grand. So I've been ploughing all my efforts into my business to get those monies, and it's slow but sure. We'll get there. And you know, it's strange, it's because like I think with working, having this life online, is that you always try and do what a lot of people, they're either unhappy if you do it this way or that way. So if I pay someone else to do them, you can have people that go, oh, you're not even doing it yourself. And then if you do it yourself, it's like, oh, she doesn't even know what she's doing. It's like, oh. So I've just come to the conclusion that I'm just gonna do what I want. And it's the best thing for me getting a professional in. I don't want to arse about and muck about and try and do things myself when it's not going to go right. Anyway, I've taken a pre-workout, so I better get working out. Lovely weather once again. All the best. Have a great Sunday. Hello. It is Wednesday, and I've just been swimming. I haven't been swimming properly for years and years. I think the last time that I went swimming properly, regularly, was when I was at school. I used to go every Monday with my friends. But it's another thing I wish I was good at. I think I'm a good swimmer, but I want to be a very good swimmer. Actually, I say good swimmer, I think I'm like below average. So I went to the gym, and then I went for a swim. I did 3k on the treadmill. I walked 1k, ran 2, did some weights, and then swam for half an hour, 25 minutes. But I forgot my hairbrush, and you have to pay for the bloody hair dryers now, ain't you? So, yeah, I am knackered. I'm feeling good. Very hungry. I've got a protein shake before my lunch. Make sure I get all the protein I need, and then I'm gonna have some lovely. I don't know what I'm having for lunch, but I know it's gonna be bloody lovely. Anyway, I hope your day is going pretty well. I go to España to see Lorian in Fuerteventura. 2.5 weeks. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon. All the best! It's another day. It's Friday. We're going to do this. Hello, it's another Friday. Just finished the gym. Obviously, I should call this the car diaries. But, oh my God, I feel so good this morning. I don't know why, I just feel really good. I had a really good workout. I did about an hour today, so I think I'm going to try and up it to an hour instead of my 50 minutes. Half an hour on the treadmill, did 3k. I ran 2.10 and I walked the rest because I was like, sod this, because I was knackered. I was so tired yesterday and this morning. I need to go to bed earlier. I'm just staying up because thinking about all these different projects and stuff. So I think today is going to be a painting and computer day. But yeah, going to be starting work on the boat in a week or so because I'm just getting some final quotes from people. You know, you're getting quotes from people like a per hourly wage, and I want it by the job. So I've just kind of said, how much for everything? And I've also gone to other companies and asked them. So hopefully I should be in the boat by April. I'll actually be able to film some stuff. You know, it's hard at the moment. It's winter, and I had some time off a few months ago in the winter from not being very well, so it had an effect on my business, and it had an effect on my income. So it's been very difficult to save money. I had money, I had a nice chunk of money to put into the renovation, and I just didn't go very far, so it needed really double that amount. But we'll get there. I've been filming a lot of the gym, I suppose, because I really needed it, and it's for like my mental wellness, to get healthy. And I think I looked at myself in the mirror yesterday and today, and I actually recognised myself from a few years back. I was like, oh, there you are. I recognise you. I hadn't seen you in a long time. I went shopping with my sister and my mum and my nephew yesterday. I didn't buy anything, but of course, I tried on a few clothes and I was like, oh my God, I actually look good in this. So yeah, that made me feel really good. It's strange how everything has a knock-on effect. I know it's just an outward appearance and that's not the person you are, but I think everything does have a knock-on effect. Like, I've been eating really healthily as well, and that's really been making me feel good. I haven't been going out into town drinking or anything like that. Just been getting back to life, trying to stay as positive and happy as possible, although sometimes I have those down moments like everyone else does. Like today I was in the gym and I was just like, I got down for a moment thinking, God, why is this transformation not happening fast enough? And then I sat there and I was like, is thinking this way going to make your workout any better? Isn't it going to be detrimental? Shouldn't you be thinking, oh my God, I've come so far and I'm working out really hard. Isn't that going to be better? And I was like, oh, yeah. And then I worked out really hard. And then afterwards I was like, oh, you did good, girl. You did really good. Well done. All right. I'm going to crack on and get some painting done. I hope wherever you are, whatever you're doing, be a beautiful day. All the best! Oh, it's still playing. Stop, I said stop.